Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to simplify fractions using PEMDAS. So these are some examples, 1, 2, 3 examples that we are going to use to learn how to simplify fractions using PEMDAS. Okay. Now, before we start, let us understand what PEMDAS means. So PEMDAS is an acronym which stands for P parenthesis, E exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, S subtraction. And using this order of operation in mathematics, when we have multiplication coming before division, we start with multiplication from left to right. And if division comes before multiplication, we start from division still from left to right. The same thing with addition and subtraction. Okay. But with this one, you must first of all do this one, parenthesis or bracket. Then you do exponent. Exponent is like, let's say this one was raised to a certain number. Okay. So that is exponent. We'll open the bracket and then we do the exponent. But if you look at this example 1, 2.5 minus 1 1/5 plus 3/5 equals, if you look at this one, we have parenthesis or bracket. Okay. There is no exponent. So the first thing we're going to do is to solve. Okay, what is in the bracket? So the first thing we're going to do is to solve what is in the bracket. So we have first 2.5 minus 1 1/5. Okay. Now let's convert this to improper fraction before we start solving. 2 times 2, it is 4 plus 1, 5. So we have 5 on 2 minus 5 times 1, it is 5 plus 1 will give us 6 on this 5. Okay. Now to solve this, we look for the LCM of 2 and 5. So LCM, lowest common multiple, what can multiply, we can divide 2, that remainder, and 5. Okay, so it is 10. Now we have 10 divided by 2, it is 5.
5 times 5.
Is 25. Okay, minus 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So this will be equals 25 minus 12 is 13 on 10. Okay, so we have simplified this bracket and arrived here. The next thing we are going to do is to check if there's multiplication. There is no multiplication. Division, there's no division. Addition, if there's addition. So since we have simplified what is in this bracket, we now add this plus 3 on 5. Okay, now we look for LCM again. Here LCM is still 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 times 13 remains 13 plus 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, so 6. This will be equals 13 plus 6 is 19 on 10. So this is the answer for the first example. Now this question came in Mathematics Cameroon GCE Ordinary Level 2024. Okay, so this is the answer. Let's move to the second one. The second one is half times 2 on 3 plus 1 on 6 times 2 equals, apply PEMDAS again to solve it. So if you check here, there's parentheses. So this is why we're going to solve first. Okay, what's in the bracket? Remember that. So we will have 2 on 3 plus 1 on 6. Okay, we look for the LCM here, which is 6. 6 divided by 3, it is 2. 2 times 2 give us 4 here. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 1 times 6 here will give us plus 6. Okay, this will be equals 4 plus 6 is 10 on 6. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is to do multiplication. Okay, to do multiplication. So let's arrange it again and see how it looks. We will have half times 10 on 6 times 2. This 2 is just same as 2 on 1 is equals. So if we say 2 goes here is 1, 2 goes here is 3, 2 goes here is 1, 2 goes here is 5. So 1 times 5 times 1 is still the same as 5. Okay, on 1 times 3 times 1 is 3. So this is the answer for the second example. So if you have watched to this level, please like, share, comment, and press the notification button so that whenever we do a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Let's continue. The last one. So number 3, we have 1 on 2 minus 3 on 4, bracket, close and open, times 4 on 2 plus 3 on 6, bracket, close and open, is equals. So to simplify this, we are still going to apply this PEMDAS law. Okay. Now, if we look at this quiz, what we'll do is that we'll first solve what is in the parentheses or in the bracket. So we are going to solve this. We solve this, then we multiply what we get. Okay. So let's start with this. Let's just say LCM here. LCM here will be 4. Okay. 4 divided by 2 is 2 times 1. So give us 2 here, minus 4 divided by 4 is 1 times 3. So give us 3 here. Okay. So this will be equals 2 minus 3 is minus 1 on 4. Okay, now this, since we have opened the bracket, will be multiplied by, let's look for the LCM of this one. LCM is definitely 6. 6 divided 2 will give us 3. 3 times 4 will give us 12 here, plus 6 divided by 6 here will give us 1 times 2. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, so 12 plus 3 is 15 on 6 times here will be 15 on 6. Okay, now so the next thing is multiplication. Okay, so 3 goes here, let's see, 3 goes here is 2 times, 3 goes here is 5 times. Okay, so this will be equals 1 times 5 is negative 1 times 5 is negative 5 on 4 times 2, it is 8. So this is the answer to this last example. Thank you for watching. Check this channel. There are other questions that we have solved.